Hi guys. Today we are making a video about opening a blind bag. Okay, blind bag. Ito.
So many videos
Bulldog.
touching us, right?
Di naman kita nagla-live. Ito yung rarity. Una, best, legendary, epic. Open na natin! Not here, you guys. My masterpiece kasi. Alright, I look some of the noodles. Eto. And this is the note. What do we get? What do we get? We got best! We got best. Best.
I like the taste very much.
And
over
eto
there.
guys, free one.
Guys, do you like this? Please order this to the yellow basket.
Sa yellow basket lang yun guys.
So we need to ready a bowl, guys.
Eto yung bowl natin. Lagay yung noodles. To boiling water. And let's go.
Look, there's a lot of cheese.
No. And let's go add some milk. And guys,
That's
stir
how
na
also
natin
that's
yung
allowed.
bulldog natin. And look, may bulldog tayo. And thank you sa kay Tito Boy Jud guys kasi nag-make mo kaya sa amon. And make sure to like, subscribe. Bye guys.